Can you activate chat heads in Messenger iPhone? Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Chat heads or floating bubbles like Android do not exist on iPhone. So if you are wondering if you can activate chat heads in Messenger iPhone, then unfortunately you cannot activate chat heads on iPhone because Apple does not allow floating chat bubbles, and Meta Facebook has removed chat heads on iOS years ago, and this is an iOS system limitation and not a bug. So if you were searching for activating chat heads in Messenger, then unfortunately it's not possible. However, what you can do instead is go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on notifications and then tap on Messenger. Here, go ahead and enable allow notifications toggle button and also make sure the options for banners, lock screen, and sounds are enabled. Then tap on the banner style option you see there and select the persistent option. This will keep messages visible until you dismiss them. So, this was the quickest and the closest alternative for chat heads on your iPhone. You will get quick message previews at the top of your screen. And for Messenger video calls, you can simply minimize the call. Make sure that video folds in a small window, and this work only for calls and not for chats. So this was about if you can activate chat heads in Messenger on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.